Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Sorry it's a bit later than normal. If you did see my post on the community tab, I did have a problem with my eye. We can thank the girlfriend for that. I damaged my retina, so I couldn't do no driving over the weekend. I couldn't even open my eyes. But we are back. This is actually the first time I've driven the car since it all happened. So yeah, while I got some time, I thought I would film us rolling the arches, because then that leaves us ready to slam the car, as some people would say. But yeah, I am going to be lowering it a bit more. The rear really doesn't need lowering anymore, as you guys have seen, but it's just the front. The front needs slamming. So kindly, even though she did poke me in the eye, the girlfriend has bought me some coilovers for my car for my birthday. So that'll be in a video pretty soon. We're going to be fitting some coilovers. We are going to be getting the wheels powder coated too. But today it's just going to be rolling the arches. I don't think I need to roll the fronts. We're just going to be rolling the rears, because that is what scrapes at the minute. Yeah, so we're going to do it, and we're going to do it the proper way. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's just get into it. Alright, so guys, when I say we're going to do it properly, Alright guys, so I thought, because the other one didn't seem so bad, I'll show you this one, because once the phone focuses, we can definitely see that it's been hitting on the arch liner, and I believe even with rolling the arches, it's still going to scrape. But oh well, hopefully rolling this will push the arch liner back a little bit, and then we can go from there. But yeah. If not, it's just going to eventually rub through the arch liner anyway, and then it's going to stop. So we'll be alright. Either way, still rolling them bad boys. Right, so guys, I've got myself all rigged up. Got my heat gun. Always have a heat gun. Always. It's pushing the bumper out at the minute, but it's ready to roll when I need it to. Got a little bit of a dent here. But yeah, I'm just going to heat this all up, and then get rolling. I'll probably roll it all, to be honest, a bit further down. Yeah, I'll probably roll it some more. Right, anyway, I'm going to get heating. All I'm going to say is sorry for the many time lapses, but as you can see, we have rolled it a little bit more than what it already was. It has pushed the lining up a little bit, so hopefully it's going to make it a little bit better. I don't think the edge of this is ruined. I can see here, you can see a little bit on camera, there's a dent and a dent, which I've always known to be there, but I realise why they're there now, and it's because of whoever rolled these arches a little bit before obviously either did this damage pushing it out, because if I start pushing on that, you can't really see because I'm moving at the same time, but it stops at this point, and that's exactly like where the bend is, where it seems to have probably tried to have been pushed past that point. But we've now got a little bit more flare, which is good. I like that. And also this side, I don't think it's got the same damage, because I think they realised what they were doing this side. So, but we're going to roll it a little bit more, just like the other side, and then we shall go from there. I'm actually going to look, because I don't think, oh, it actually does look like the fronts have been rolled a little bit already. So You guys really can't see in there, but I think it has been rolled. But I'll roll it a little bit more. I don't plan on. Maybe tucking a little bit of tyre in there, but then that means removing this shit, and we'll see how low we go when the coilovers are on. Alright, so guys, I don't know how much you can tell on video, but I have rolled the ARCHES quite a bit more. I don't know if you can see from that angle, but yeah, they are rolled a hell of a lot more than what they were. It's not going to show you because it's not going to focus in the dark area, is it? What about if I do this? Hey, sort of. But yeah, it's rolled a hell of a lot more. Same with the other side. I did go down a bit further on this side. You can see, obviously right here, I went down to here, and then this was where it was rolled to originally, at this level, and then I went down to that point and rolled it a bit more. Unfortunately, this arch liner is a bit knackered, so I believe it's still going to scrape, but if it does, it's just only going to scrape the arch liner, and I know that now. So yeah, I'm going to get the wheels back on, lower it down on the floor, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. I have been done with the car for about 10 minutes maybe, because I've been playing with this little toy. But I give up on that because I broke a propeller and this drone isn't actually mine. Funnily enough, I do have my own drone, but this is just someone I worked with drone, and he left it so I could play with it. I may have broke a propeller, but he has got a couple of new sets right here. So yeah, I'm going to message him about that, and I'm going to finish up this video right here. I don't know if you're actually looking at my face or not, or what's going on with the gimbal, but I am going to end this video here. Obviously, you did see we did roll the ARCHES. I don't know how much we did roll them by, because they were already previously rolled. Shut up. But they're rolled a bit more now, so hopefully it's going to help me with when I get my coilovers. I'm not sure what the front is going to sit like, because it sits like this at the minute, and I don't know how far the tyre is going to go into the arch when I lower it. But we shall come to that obstacle when we get there. I still need to also add in that bit of wrap. Could have really done that this evening, but I'm knackered. I'm going home, and I'm going to edit this video for you guys so I can get it up as soon as possible. But yeah, just keep on the lookout, because we are going to be doing coilovers. I'm also going to be doing side skirts on the car, powder coating the wheels. We're going to do that at some point. And then we'll just go from there. I need to get some wind deflectors at some point too. But nonetheless, guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure you leave a subscribe if you did. Leave a like and a comment. And if you feel like it, hit that share button. It helps out a lot. I'm going to go home, edit this for you. I will see you in my next video.